You know, Luma Fusion is getting better. It's now stable. You mean it didn't crash anymore? No, Luma Fusion now has stabilization with lock and load. Stabilization in Luma Fusion is a last resort, okay? Only use this when you need to. Otherwise, get it right in camera. Use stabilization, tripod, gimbal, all that good stuff, and the right camera as well. All the footage you're gonna see is from this camera, the Galaxy S8 here, live vlog camera. So, but ideally, you want to have your gimbal, all that shot, okay, stabilized. Okay, nowadays the iPhone is really good, the GoPro is really good. All those, the latest camera all has in-body stabilization, so it should help. But this is just a small fix, okay? Just a problem fixing tools in Luma Fusion. They just got it in version 3.0. Let's see. I haven't tested it out yet, but I'll test it out with you guys, okay? Let's have a look at the footage that we want to play with. So this one I shot a few days ago. So for example, this one right here, right? So it's very wobbly. So basically I'm just walking, okay? Now to assess the lock and load in Luma Fusion, just double tap. Remember, hold on one finger, the blue dot. Double tap it, and we'll take you to this screen here. Now go to the bottom. Okay, this one right here is your stabilize. Now this one will have a few settings right here on top here. You can play around with it. Okay, try the medium first and see how it goes. Okay, let's play. Let's go strong. See, it's a problem solving thing. It's good, but it's not good enough for my liking, okay? But if you need the footage, that's what you're gonna have to do. So it's better to get it in camera first. Otherwise, you don't want to deal with this kind of stuff, okay? So this is all high strength now. Zoom in a little bit, maybe 50%. Let's see how it goes. No, it doesn't do much. It's better if you get it right in the camera, okay? The editor don't want to play with this kind of footage, trust me. Okay, so let's play. Now see, I'm walking right now, so it's going to be really bad. Let's go to lock and load. It's still a calculation, okay? In the Luma Fusion, very fast. Nowadays, very fast. Before, right, it's just a nightmare to do. Okay, well, it's automatic, so it's like around 70% stabilized. Let's go have a look. Still very wobbly. Okay, that's why you have gimbal, okay, and have the right camera for the job. So right now, the new iPhone, all the GoPro and all that stuff, the stabilization on those camera is really good, really awesome. This one, I just have it with me, okay, and it's not locking camera. I can't bring my TH4L, you know, and do a vlog, you know. Yeah, so that's lock and load in Luma Fusion. Is it good? You've seen the photo, right? You've seen the footage. So get it right in camera, so you don't have to use this tool. Hi, my name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make similar content like this for you guys. Also, check out my playlist as well, because there's a lot of goodies in there. Okay, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Okay, bye.